Hello guys, so today we'll solve the lead code problem, lead code weekly contest problem, weekly contest 249. So let's solve the problem. So this is the question, second question, unique length of 3 palindromic subsequence. So what we need to do, we need to find unique palindromes of length 3, okay, for any subsequence for any subsequence of s, okay. So that's all we need to do. So the palindrome should be unique, okay. We will not count the palindromes which are occurring similar palindromes multiple times, okay. We will not count them. So in this case you can see there are 3 palindrome strings. In this case also you can see there is 0 palindromes. In this case you can see there are 4 palindromes. Here repeated palindromes are not counted, okay. B, B, B and B, B, B you can see can be done twice you can get B, 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 but we are not counting them twice, okay. So this is the solution. So what we are going to do, basically we will declare beginning and end variable, and beginning and end variable, beginning will be declared with 0 and end will be declared with the last index of the string, okay. Now we'll initialize solution to 0. Now we'll iterate the while loop until beginning plus 1 is less than index, okay. We'll keep on incrementing beginning, and end also will keep on decrementing, and we'll check until the beginning plus 1 is less than index, means length of big and end index is 3 or not, okay. If it is less than 3, then we will come out of the loop. Now we have also declared a VA array. VA is visited array. Visited array is all the numbers which have been visited, like if in this case B has been visited, so we put it in the VA array, okay, so that it won't be counted twice. So now we start doing this. If BG plus 1 is less than ED and SBG means string character at beginning index is not in VA, then is in VA. Either it is in VA. If it is in VA and it is less than end, then we will keep on incrementing BG. Okay, we will keep on incrementing BG until we get a BG. BG means beginning index, which is not in VA. Okay, VA means visited array, visited characters, array of visited characters, VA. I will write over here. So this way we can get the beginning index and the ending index. The array of visited characters we can check. Now we'll initialize another variable ptr2 as the end. Now we'll iterate ptr until it is not equal to bg, means the beginning character, whichever is the beginning character. If it is not equal to it, we'll keep on decrementing it, okay, such that we get palindrome, okay. And once we achieve ptr2, what we will do is simply append bg, but means whether we get a valid ptr2 or not. Valid ptr2 means if ptr2 and bg means bg plus 1 is equal to ptr, if it reaches that point, bg plus 1 equals to ptr, if it reaches at that point, then ptr value is not a valid ptr value, okay. So still in that case also we will append the bg in VA, okay. So it has already been visited, so we won't visit it again, okay. Now we'll check if ptr2 is greater than bg plus 1 or not, okay. So if ptr2 is greater than bg plus 1, means if it came out due to this condition that sptr2 is equal to SBG, if it came out because of this condition from this loop, then this condition will also will also be true. So in that case we will make another list of distinct list distinct list, and this distinct list will range between bg plus 1 to ptr2 minus 1. We write in range ptr2 so that it is the upper bound, not included in the ranging equation. So from bg plus 1 to ptr2 minus 1 we will iterate, and we will store them in the distinct list. Okay, how many distinct characters we get, and we simply sum up with the solution. Okay, we simply sum up with the solution. That's all, guys. That's all. Then this will provide us the solution of how many distinct palindromic 3 length subsequences are there. Okay, 3 length strings are there by taking the subsequences of string s. Okay, that's it, guys. Hope you have liked this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep on submitting videos like this and computer science videos also, so you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, and please like the video also. Thank you, guys. Bye.